Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace front struts. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a complete socket set. Safety is paramount, so always lift your vehicle securely and place it on jack stands before starting. Next, remove the front wheel to gain clear access to the strut assembly. Having your new struts and any required mounting hardware ready will streamline the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement. Now, let's move on to disassembling the old strut. Begin by carefully disconnecting the brake line and the ABS sensor wire from the strut body, ensuring no damage occurs. Next, you will unbolt the 2 lower strut mounting bolts that connect the strut to the steering knuckle. After that, open the hood and remove the 3 upper strut mount nuts located on the strut tower. With all fasteners removed, gently guide the entire old strut assembly out of its position. With the old strut out, it's time to prepare and install the new one. If your new strut doesn't come pre-assembled, you'll need to use a spring compressor to safely transfer the old spring onto the new strut. Once assembled, carefully guide the new strut assembly up into the strut tower. Secure the 3 upper strut mount nuts first, then reattach the 2 lower mounting bolts to the steering knuckle, tightening them to specification. To complete the installation, reconnect the brake line and the ABS sensor wire securely to the new strut. Then, reinstall the wheel, ensuring all lug nuts are tightened correctly, and carefully lower the vehicle from the jack stands. Double-check all bolts and connections to confirm everything is secure and properly torqued. Finally, it is absolutely crucial to schedule a professional wheel alignment immediately after replacing your front struts to ensure proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.